Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about CCleaner Professional, one of the most popular tools for cleaning and speeding up your PC. Let's get started. First of all, what is CCleaner? CCleaner Professional is a powerful PC cleaning and optimization tool. It removes junk files, clears temporary files, fixes registry issues, and helps your computer run faster. It also protects your privacy by clearing browser history and tracking files. Whether your computer is slow, freezing, or running out of space, CCleaner Professional gives you a clean and smooth experience. Now, let's talk about its key features. Here are some of the key features of CCleaner Professional. Deep PC cleaning removes junk, cache, and useless files. Registry Cleaner fixes broken registry items safely. Automatic updates keeps the software up to date. Real-time monitoring alerts you when junk starts to build up. Browser cleaning clears cookies, browsing history, and trackers. Startup Manager improves boot speed by controlling startup apps. Software Updater updates outdated apps for better security. Scheduled cleaning. Set it once and it cleans automatically. All these tools help you keep your computer running fast and smooth. So, who can benefit most from it? CCleaner Professional is helpful for home users with slow PCs, office users working with heavy files, students using shared computers, gamers needing more speed and storage, content creators who want peak performance. Anyone who wants a clean and smooth running computer. Now, one of the most common questions is CCleaner safe to use? Yes, CCleaner is safe to use. It is created by Piriform, a trusted software company owned by Avast. Many home users, businesses, and professionals use CCleaner worldwide. It does not harm your system and offers safe cleaning options. Now, how to use CCleaner? Using CCleaner is very simple. Just follow these steps. Install CCleaner Professional on your Windows PC. Open the software and go to the Health Check section. Click Start to let CCleaner scan your system. It will show junk files, privacy issues, and performance problems. Click Fix to clean everything safely. You can also use tools like Registry Cleaner, Startup Manager, and Software Updater for deeper optimization. It takes only a few minutes to make your PC faster and cleaner. Now, if you want to unlock unlimited recovery and premium features, you'll need a license key. I will suggest you the best website, www.ordersoftwarekeys.com. Here, you can see the price is very affordable compared to others. You'll get the official license with lifetime upgrades and premium support. That's all for today's video. I hope this guide helped you understand CCleaner Professional. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.